Today, you're going to learn how to make a kiwi fruit tea from syrup at home. Welcome to this special series on how to make bubble tea shop fruit teas from syrup in the comfort of your own home. There are numerous restaurant quality grade bubble tea shop syrups online that you can purchase for home use. Each one varies in flavor, viscosity, and sweetness, so please bear that in mind when making this recipe. So, let's get started. First, we want to get our tea brewing. We need a strong base brew. For kiwi, I recommend a loose leaf, medium strength Jasmine green tea. If you don't have loose leaf, then 2 tea bags will work just fine. You can experiment over time to figure out your preferred tea strength. You'll put 1 tablespoon of loose leaf tea into 175 milliliters of 70 degrees Celsius water. Leave it to brew covered for 7 minutes. While the tea is brewing, we're going to pour 40 milliliters of kiwi syrup in a 500 milliliter shaker. Optionally, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fructose powder or 7 milliliters of fructose syrup, or perhaps try it with honey. Once the tea is done brewing, carefully strain it into your shaker and stir until combined. We're going to add ice all the way to the top of the shaker. Put on the middle and the top section and shake really well for 1 minute. If you don't have a shaker, I would recommend doing this next step in a really large glass and giving it a good stir for about 2 minutes. Add your topping of choice to your glass, and today I'm using cherry popping juice balls, or what I like to call bubbles. But alternatively with my fruit teas, I also enjoy good old boba. Strain the fruit tea into your glass, and remember to hang on to this middle section while pouring so it doesn't accidentally come off. Cheers! So good. Well, thanks so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time, your comments, your likes for the YouTube algorithm, and you as a subscriber. Please be sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.